In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a bullet list on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So let's say, for example, you see I have a list on my PowerPoint presentation right now. If you want to go about adding bullet points here, just highlight over whatever text you want to create bullet points for, select the Home tab, and then above Paragraph, select the little bullets icon that says Create a Bulleted List. Select that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.